Hi, I'm Matthew. Welcome to my channel. Today it's Sunday and it's time for a shave. Real quick, I'm gonna wet my face. It's Sunday evening. Got 3 days worth of growth and I need a shave. I delayed the video a little bit because it's Easter. Wanted to celebrate that time with my family and friends, and I'm gonna do a shave video with you guys today. Today's shave soap is gonna be by Stirling Soap Company, and this is iced pineapple. I was debating on if I wanted to do thumbnail there or not, but what a nice scent. I'm really looking forward to this shave. I like that sweet pineapple-y scent along with the menthol. I think it's going to be great. I'm going to be using this Phoenix Artisan Accoutrements razor, the Artifact, with a Gillette silver blue blade in there. This will be the last use on this particular blade. I already have the soap whipped up here in my Captain's Choice copper bowl, and I'm using this beautiful brush, Matthew's brush, made out of some exotic wood. Man, it's just so beautiful, and a proprietary knot that's synthetic. This is a 26 millimeter knot. It's going to be my first go with it. I have not used it at all. I turned this, this was one of those brushes that I did, not last Friday, but the Friday before. The scent on this, where has it been my whole life? I really enjoy this. And what was I thinking to not buy the matching splash with this? I can tell you this knot here, I think is going to be a painter of a knot. You know, I've tossed around the ideas, or the idea of making brushes. I've had you guys do a little, there's what the soap looks like. I did a little post, kind of a survey type thing to see what you guys would like, a 24, 26, or, you know, that kind of thing. And I feel like a majority of you guys wanted the 24 millimeter. So I had ordered some 24 millimeter knots, and I had ordered some 26 millimeter knots, and I'm trying them out. Let's get going with pass number 1 with the grain. Kind of giving them a try to see if I like them. My goal would be to make a brush, whether right now it would be a natural, you know, wood brush handle. I'm not really, oh, blooper. Not really wanting to get into the synthetic handles just yet. But where I was going with it was, kind of want to get, I am feeling a little menthol, which is nice. I kind of was shooting for a price range of like $50 for a shave brush shipped to the United States. If it's somewhere overseas, I'm not sure that I'm willing to go that route yet. That's kind of where I was looking at, and I feel though as though I could do that, and I feel like it would be a good kind of selling price for most people would enjoy a brush around the $50 mark. And I think it would kind of be the same for whether it's the 24 millimeter or 26. So that's kind of what I've been thinking and tinkering around a little bit with. Even though my soap is very bloopy, having a little bit of rinsing difficulties, and it's probably because I've got a lot of hair, a lot of stubble in there. All right, let's get going with pass number 2. Get lathered up for pass number 2. My brain is going. So for this being a synthetic knot, I feel like it does have a little bit of backbone to it. It kind of simulates badger, but it has all the benefits of not have to worry about soaking. You can see it produces lather. It's fairly soft. I meant to show you a picture or you know, show the brush before I lathered it, but I forgot all about it. But I'll put a picture right here of everything I used. You can kind of look at the handle and what the knot looks like. But if you guys think you would be interested in that, if it seems like would be a deal for you, make a comment below and let me know. What do you think? Would a shave brush that's in the $50 range ship to you? Is that a bargain? Does that seem like something that would interest you or not? I've been kind of playing around with some different designs on the handles, and you know, with it being something semi-ly handmade, each one's going to be a little bit different. The wood grain will be different. I've got several different wood species that I'm going to use. And I don't even know if there's a need for it. I mean, it's just something I kind of enjoy doing. I've done a few different things, and it's kind of led me up to this point. A few people have said they would be interested, kind of offline, behind the scenes. And I thought, well, if I decide to fully commit and do this, I'm not going to do a website or anything like that. I'm not going to go to Etsy or eBay. It would probably just be something where, I don't know if you'd get on a mailing list or contact me on Instagram. I haven't really thought that far forward into it, but it'll probably be just one of those deals where I will show the brush and then, you know, let people comment. And if people are excited about that particular wood or shape or whatever combo, then I can move forward from there. All right, so let me get cleaned up with some cold water, and I'll be right back. What a nice shave. I think I will do this for my thumbnail. Excellent soap, no complaints there. While I was getting cleaned up, I decided to just go ahead and rinse out the brush and kind of give you a look at it. You know, with it being wood, a natural substance, every one is going to be a little different. There may be some imperfections and what have you. Here's what the knot looks like. I really wanted to go with a fan style knot, but I was unable to source that, so I kind of went with the bulb knot. That's what it looks like. I don't have the matching splash, so I'm going to use some Star Jelly to just sum up the deal. And the other thing is I still haven't fully decided on a name. I know a lot of people, or at least a handful, had said Flannelman. And that was, I think, due to, you know, my profile picture, and I like to wear flannels, especially on the 12 flannels of Christmas. But anyway, if I decide to go that route, it's going to be Flannelman brushes, or it may also be Flannelman soap. See how that kind of goes together. So I've been dabbling with that. I think I've got all that stuff narrowed down. Not sure that I'm going to sell any of that, but been working on some labels, got some scents and stuff already made. And when I'm ready to make another video, I'll talk a little bit more about that. But yeah, thanks for sticking with me on the whole video. I appreciate you guys watching, and I will see you guys on the next shave video. You have a great rest of your weekend.